Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. I'm glad to have you. I'm happy you clicked on my video. Please subscribe down below. It's free. Alright, so today, you can tell by the title, I'm unboxing the FabFitFun starter box. Okay, so I have a secret. I did already pre-open it. Because I was so excited to get it. I just opened it and ripped it open. But you guys haven't seen it, so you guys are gonna see it. You guys didn't see exactly what I got. So I'm gonna open it. And I put everything back, so this is how it looks. Now keep in mind it did come with tissue paper and a little sticker that said share to win. So it said that, but it comes with this magazine. Oh, I dropped something. Give me a second. Okay, so it comes with this magazine. Actually, I've not looked at the magazine. So this is what it comes with. This magazine. How the box is curated. And I guess it has a lot of different stuff for FabFitFun, of course. So it has all this stuff. I'll read that later. So it comes with a little magazine. It comes with a little card that says what's in the box and a note from us. So it shows what's in the box and all that. So in the box, this is what I got. And keep in mind, like I said, all this was wrapped up. I literally went through everything because I was super excited. I was like, oh my god, it came. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this. This is the Sponge Jelly Beach Grass. It says Beyond Cleansing on it. So it's a body wash infused buffer. So it's a sponge that has body wash inside of it. Oh my god, that smells so good. I haven't smelled it. That smells really good. I'm sorry I'm going out of focus, but that smells really good. So it's soft. You can definitely tell there's soap in it. But I heard these last for over a month. I'm not saying I'm going to use it for that long, but that smells so good, you guys. So if you don't know what the starter box is, basically members of FabFitFun that get the big $50 box, they all got emailed a thing saying that they can invite three friends or family to try out the starter box. Well, I'm in this Facebook group for subscription boxes. And I asked them, does anyone have extra starter box code? So the great women they are, they sent me a code for the starter box. The starter box is $5, and you get 3 to 4 full-size products for $5, you guys. $5. This box retail value is $136 for $5. So basically, you're only paying for shipping. You're basically getting the box for free. And this sponge retails for $16. It smells really good, you guys. Legit. If you know anybody that has FabFitFun, hey, bro, can you, send me a link for that starter box? Hit them up, because, it's worth it. And the next thing I got was the Ahava Desi Water Mineral Hand Cream. And it says special size limited edition. Now this smells really good. I know you guys can't smell it, but it smells really good. It smells kind of like baby. Like baby powder, kind of. But it's supposed to be from the Dead Sea. I'm just going to put some on. My hands are dry. Because I have a little baby that's 1 year old. And I'm constantly washing my hands. So my hands are super dry. But that smells really, really good, you guys. Really good. Look how shiny my hands are now. Because I put that lotion on. And the lotion retails for $33. Sorry, it's getting blurry. It retails for $33 for this lotion. Definitely worth it, guys. Definitely worth it. $33, for a lotion? That's, I don't know, great deal. And then the next thing I got was these right here. So, this is the Black Hydrogel Eye Mask Hyaluronic Acid 5-pack. So, and these retail for $29. That's a lot. I'm not saying I'm cheap, but I'm cheap. I don't want to spend $30 for eye mask. I'll open it and show you guys what it looks like. These are what they look like. And you put them under your eyes. And they make your under eyes hydrated and depuffs them and all that. So that's the third thing I got. I got one more thing which I was most excited about, which is why I ripped the box open and cannot wait. It's this clutch crossbody bag. Bro, they gave me a whole bag, like a whole purse, and this is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna open it. This is the inside. It comes with a little band that goes across your body. So, and this retails for $58. $58. It's so nice. So you can either use it as a clutch or you can use it as a crossbody bag. I'm gonna use it as a crossbody bag because the only purse I have is like the really nice, expensive, big purse that Adrian bought me for Christmas, and this is like smaller. You just throw my wallet and my whatever I need in here. And so that's everything I got in the $5 starter box. Like I said, if you have friends that have FabFitFun, like, hey, did you get codes for the starter box? Help a sister out or help a guy out, guy or girl, whatever, your life. So I think it's definitely worth it for the $5. Literally just paying for shipping. You're getting the box for free. Like, what is there not to like? They send you a whole purse, like a whole purse. Like, you make me want. They make me want to buy the big $50 box. But I'm broke. I don't got $50 to spend for a box. So I definitely like this box. I hope you guys like this video. If you're new, please share, subscribe, like, give it a thumbs up because it really helps the sister out. And I think that's about it. Bye guys.